Welcome to the Lightspeed Restaurant Getting Started video guide for K-Series. I'm Vinny, and I'll show you how to navigate multiple business locations in the back office. When you have multiple restaurants, they can be set up as separate businesses or separate locations under the same business. Businesses are independent Lightspeed restaurant accounts, ideal for restaurants that have different concepts or brands. But business locations are linked together in the back office, which means they can share menus, discounts, and other settings. This is really helpful when you're managing a chain of restaurants. You may have signed up for more than one business or business location when creating your Lightspeed account, but you can always contact us if you need to add more. The first thing you should know is how to switch between business locations in the back office. If you have multiple locations, there will be a drop-down menu in your navigation sidebar. Click the drop-down and select a business location to switch to. You'll be taken to the back office for that location, remaining in the same section you were previously viewing. But there's more to it than just switching between each back office. You should also know about the three types of settings that apply to business location: global, shared, and local features. Global features are the same for every location in your Lightspeed restaurant business. When making changes to a global feature or setting in one business location, those changes are automatically copied to all other linked locations. Global features include accounting groups, order profiles, user groups, and the others listed on your screen. Shared features have some aspects that are the same across locations, and others that are different. There are three shared features. First, your employee user accounts for the POS and back office are automatically available in all locations. However, users can only log in to the location where you created them unless you explicitly grant them access to other locations. Customer profiles are also shared across location, but their invoices, owed amounts, and accounts receivable are managed separately. And while each business location generates its own sales reporting, location reports consolidate your data across all of your restaurants. Finally, local features are those that you manage separately for each location. Most other features are local, such as floor plans, tables, hardware, POS devices, and the others listed on your screen. If you've noticed, we haven't talked about items or menus yet. That's because items can be local, shared, or global. Local items are only available in the location where they're created. Shared items are available in all locations under the same name, but it can have different settings. And global items must use the same name and same settings in all locations. After you create items in one location, you can change their sharing status from the items table. Click Menu Management in the navigation sidebar and select Items. Check the boxes next to the items whose status you want to change. Keep in mind that you can only change local items to shared. You can only change shared items to global, and shared and global items cannot be made local again. Once you've selected the items, click Actions. Then, Change Sharing Status. Select a new sharing status based on what's allowed and then click Change. In contrast, menus can be local or shared. New menus are local to the business location in which they're added, but you can share menus with other business locations to avoid manually recreating it in every location where it's needed. Before sharing a menu, you'll need to set its items to shared or global. Then click Menu Management, Menus in the back office sidebar. Click the three dots next to a menu you want to share, then Share with a location. Select the location from the drop-down menu, and then click Share to confirm. And that's all you need to know about business locations and Lightspeed Restaurant. If you need more help or have questions, just visit our K-Series Help Center to get in touch.